Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over and check the volume levels. So first, before going into any settings and all of that, we're just going to press the volume button right here. Now, as you guys can see, this setting is maxed out. So this is what we've been meaning to do here. Now we can open up these settings, and in those settings, let's go over to sounds and vibration. Here in the sounds and vibration, you need to make sure that you need to click show more, that the music videos and the games is boosted. This is what we have been boosting before opening the settings, and that the call volume is more than a half right here. So now everything's good. And what you guys want to do next is clean these speaker grills with a soft brush. So if you've got a soft brush laying around, then make sure to clean them. The first one is up here. It's a little bit of a small speaker. Now here we got the bigger one. So this is how it looks like. We definitely want to clean them up because it's very important that they're not filled with dirt, dust, or anything like that. And after that, after cleaning them, let's open up the settings again. Let's make sure that our Bluetooth is turned off right here. The third option from the top, we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Now here it has to be gray. If it's blue, then as you guys can see, you will see all your paired devices, available devices, and we don't want it. We want to disable the Bluetooth. And next, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna restart our phone. So we're gonna hold the power button for at least 3 seconds. Now don't mind this. And here we just click restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, we're gonna enter the password, and next what we're gonna do as a last resort is update our software. So we go into the settings, now swipe down until you see system updates, and here we just click on software update. As you guys can see, it's checking for updates automatically, but all we need is a stable Wi-Fi connection for it. And we can double check, of course. And it is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend you guys updating it. Very important to keep up your software up to the latest version. You don't want any old glitches laying around on your device. So, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.